All right, I got a hunch that you just typed into Google where to find fish in rivers. And I can tell you, there's a lot of things to look for, right? Edges, seams, drop-offs, riffles, what else? Inside turns, outside turns, pillows behind big rocks. But there's one particular place that seemingly always holds fish. And if you cast in the bubble line, that is basically the food conveyor belt in any type of river system. And this works in small streams, in big rivers, in small rivers, in medium-sized one like this one. Cast at the bubble line. A lot of times you'll see fish feeding right there because that is where the collection of most bugs are floating down. So cast in the bubble line, and this can happen to you too. There we go. Oh, picked the right one. Nice. Oh, I can see him come up and get it too. Oh, get him on the reel. That only took like, what, 4 changes, 5 changes? That's a good fish. That's the guy that I saw eating. That is a good fish. Oh, yes. Wow, look at that fish. Oh, that is a good fish. Oh my God. That's the guy that's been happy eating. Look at that beautiful fish. Wow. And that was through a lot of fly changes and perseverance, and I got that fish, but he was sitting right in the bubble line munching some flies. So there it is. There's your quick river lesson of the day. And hey, if you need a little help with your fly fishing cast, check out this video right here. 8 minutes, and I promise you, I will show you everything that I learned over the years that helped me cast that fly rod just a little bit further than I did previous. All right, until the next time, fish on.